Hi guys, and welcome back to day 7 of our 14-day challenge. Today is going to be a stretch and recovery day. A little bit of strength involved, but lots of low impact, just to kind of give our bodies the break, the length that we need after all of that cardio and toning we did this week. So we are going to be on the ground for this entire class. So if you have a mat or just something soft that you can keep beneath your knees, go ahead and grab that, and then we will go ahead and get started. All right, so meet me on your bottom. Take the bottoms of your feet together, sit nice and tall over those legs, pull your abs in. You can rest those hands on your legs, just take your ear to your shoulder, then lift it up, other way, ear to the shoulder. Good, now we're gonna drop that chin into the chest, stay flat through the back, lift, then straight to the ceiling. Focus up. Good, do it one more time. Take the ear over to the shoulder. Lift up, other side. Lift up, drop the chin to the chest. And take your gaze up to the ceiling. Bring everything back to the center. We're gonna take a full circle around with that neck. Do that one more time, same direction. Beautiful, and we reverse that head roll other way. One more time. And when you've completed that, come back to the top. You're gonna lift your shoulders up and then push them down your back. Do that a couple more times. Lift them up, press them down. 2 more times. Lift. And drop. One more time. Good, and then take a big inhale. Reach those arms over the head. We're gonna take a little twist. One direction. Feeling that little openness in your upper back. Inhale, reach back up to the top. Take it to the other side. And all the way back up. Take those arms out to the side. We'll take a big side body stretch over to the right side of our space. Soft gaze up to the ceiling. Push those shoulders away from your ears. Reaching as far as you can, as far as you need, and lift back up. We'll take it to the other direction. Big inhale, big exhale. And we'll do that one more time. Up and over, big stretch. Lift it up. Last time to the left side. And all the way back up to the top. We're gonna take a hinge forward from the waist here. So just leaning over those legs. If you need to, you can pull your feet in a little bit closer or a little bit further. Just kind of playing around with wherever you are today. Making sure to connect with your breath. And then roll yourself up through your spine. Nice, you guys. All right, we are gonna come onto all fours here. So take your hands underneath your shoulder blades, and then you're gonna find a flat back. So we're gonna take just a couple cat-cows. So arch your back, soft gaze up to the ceiling, and then round through the spine. Think eyes towards your thighs. One more time, bring it through, chin to the chest, soft gaze up, and round your spine again. And then bring your body to a neutral spine. So your gaze is just right between your palms. I want you to pull your abs up and in. We're gonna extend our left leg behind us. We're gonna extend our right arm in front of us. Just start to pull the knee in for 2. Pull in, then we reach out. Pull in, reach out, connecting with our core. Inhale, exhale. Last time. Hold everything long. Feeling the length in the body here. And relax that hand and knee back to the ground. Let's take one more cat-cow. Arch your back. Round back through the spine. Eyes to thighs. Final time here. Arch the back. Lift the chest. And then round through. Eyes to thighs. Bringing it back to that neutral spine, flat back. This time we're gonna extend the opposite leg long, the opposite arm long. Start to pull the knee and the elbow in for 2, Out for 2. Inhale and exhale. Last 2. Squeeze and reach. Final time here. We hold it long. Abs stay tight. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place everything back to the floor. Hands are still under our shoulders. We're gonna tuck our toes underneath us and then lift our hips into a downward facing dog. So try to push your heels into the ground here. Let your head just hang heavy. Feeling length in the backs of those legs. Think of actively pressing into your palms on the ground. Just hold that stretch. Inhale, and then on your exhale, we're gonna push our hips down in line with our shoulder blades and find a high plank here. We're gonna float that right foot up and off the ground, and then I want you to pull the knee in and find a runner's lunge with me. So that right foot is forward, that left leg is back. Just find that stretch through your hamstring. If you need to, you can place your back knee down on your mat and just feel that stretch. Good, take an easy twist as you open and reach that right arm up. Now just take a little circle back through that arm. So you're gonna circle back, circle front, circle back, circle front. Just opening up those shoulders, nice and gentle. Last one here. Good, now place both hands back to the floor. You're gonna press back into that runner's lunge. Place both hands flat and then step that right foot back into our high plank here. Reconnect with your core, realign your spine. And then we're gonna float that left foot up. Pull your knee in and then meet me in that runner's lunge on that second side. Left foot is forward, right leg is long behind us. Breathe into that stretch. Lots of length in our right hip flexor. Let's go ahead and place that knee on the ground. And take that easy twist, reach our left arm up, open your chest. Breathe. Start to circle that arm, take it back, bring it front. Circle back and front. 2 more, big reach. Last one. Good, come back into that lunge. Lift through that back leg. Plant both hands down to the ground and then step that left foot back. Meet me in your high plank again. Four, 3, 2, on 1. You're just gonna bend your elbows as you slowly start to lower down to your mat. Untuck your toes and then push into your palms. Take a little cobra stretch on your mat. Going as far as you can maintain control. Now send your seat back and find a child's pose for me right here. So drop your seat all the way to your heels and let your head rest on the ground. Gently walk your hands over to the right side of your mat and then sink your hips back to the left corner of your space. Coming back through the center, hold and freeze here. And now we're gonna walk our hands over to the left side of our space and reach our hips back to the right corner. Good, walk the body back into the center. One last stretch here. 4, 3, 2, on 1. Gently roll up through your vertebrae until you reach the top of your space. Good, we're gonna stay in this kneeling position. So stay seated where you are. Let's take our hands open and behind the spine. Gently clasp your hands together behind your back. Extend them long as you open up your chest here. Maybe take a little hinge forward over the knees and then rest wherever you can. Squeezing those shoulder blades together. And roll up through your vertebrae. Meet me up at the top. Let's take a little shoulder roll back. Again, roll back. 2 more times. And last one. Inhale all the way up. And then exhale, come through center. And take a deep breath. All right, you guys. Hopefully you're feeling nice and loose and relaxed. Meet me back on the dance floor tomorrow for day 8 of the challenge. We're gonna get back into that cardio fun movement. And again, if you completed today's challenge, don't forget to comment below and let me know. Can't wait to see you.